What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to be showing you guys my pizza trailer. It is a horse trailer converted into a pizza trailer. This is my business name. I'll go into more details at a later point what my name stands for, but as you can tell, it is all red. A lot of this fabrication we did to it. We added a window. And so if you've been with me since the beginning, I've been making pizza out of my house and finally had the opportunity to purchase this trailer, and that's what we're looking at here today. So I'm just going to briefly kind of just go over the trailer, the inside of it, and then any questions you guys have, drop them down below. Let's take a look here in the inside. We have our water tank. This is our clean water tank. So in the city that I live in, you have to have a clean water and a dirty water. This is our clean water tank. Here's a water pump, and we have all electrical stuff here in the inside and just some extra stuff as well. All right, so out here we have a big generator. This is what powers my lights, my refrigerators, my water pump, my heater. So I'm gonna get this turned on and we're gonna get inside, and I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. All right, so if we swing around the back, we have two big doors here that's on the trailer that we also added. All right, so we're gonna get inside. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm gonna get the lights on. All right, so first thing you guys will notice when we're inside the trailer is the two Gozney domes. I love my Gozney ovens, and there's no other ovens that I could have gone with, so I had to go with the Gozney domes, dual fuel. So again, at any point if I want to go with wood, I could. I'll be able to do wood here on the right hand side of each of the ovens, or currently right now what I'm running is the propane gas of the ovens. These are the off black. I have the stands here as well as the Neapolitan arcs, and I got the fuel pipes running up the top. So again, these are two workhorses of my oven. All right, let's talk refrigerators. So this is the prep area. This is the area where my pizzas are being made. This is my topping fridge, so it's a small venticle fridge, so I could go ahead and have my cheese and all my toppings here separated nice and evenly. This keeps it nice and cold. All my dough will go into this refrigerator here, and then on this right hand side, then we have our prepping, our topping, extra topping fridge, any other extra little miscellaneous items I could put in there and keep cold as well. This right here is mainly for when I'm racking and stacking dough. So when I get busy, I could stretch a couple of dough balls, and with my pills I could go in and stack them. So I'll kind of show you guys some pills here. I can stack my dough here, my dough that's already been stretched, and then it's just easy access for me to go ahead and grab it from here, top it into the oven. So I have that just there. Up above my prep area, pizza station, I just have an area where I could put boxes and just other little miscellaneous things that I need. I have these magnets here, so when I have my tickets, I put the tickets here and I know basically what I'm making. Got my menu, a clock that's nice to have time of everything, you know, how fast and where you're at. Right above me I have my AC. It's gonna be perfect for the summer, the hot days. It's refrigerated air, so I can't wait to use that. And of course we got two lights here and the service window, or the window where of course, you know, the pizzas orders be taken and pizzas are going out. I keep my pills underneath my oven, so I got my turning pill, my brush to clean my oven, and of course you can't not have your thermometer there as well. Take a look at this side. This is the side where I, you know, wash my hands. Here in the state that I live, you have to have a 3-compartment sink, so this is mainly used for washing hands. And then you got your wash, rinse, and sanitize, so you have to have that by code. Currently right now I am working on replacing my water heater, so that's why this is all moved here. But I have to have a gray water tank, so any dirty water that's being used goes into here, and then it just gets drained out when I could just do that myself as well. This does have to be a lot bigger than the fresh water, so I think it's about 15%. Again, every state is different as well regarding that. So I wanted just to get this quick little video, kind of show you guys what I've been working on the last 5 to 6 months. I'm excited to show you guys all the videos that I'll be pushing out. Again, look out for more of those videos of maybe some day in the lives of making pizzas, or how I get to the point where I'm grabbing all my ingredients to making pizza, to selling pizzas, how many pizzas I'm selling. So I want to show you guys a little bit more of everything that I'm doing. It's a one-man operation, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Let me know what you guys are liking about this whole new series that we're going to be doing. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.